Welcome back, friends, and in this video we're going to be looking at echoes or print. Now echoes, we've looked at what echo does. We've used echo to print our codes. Let me just control Z this. Now we've used echo to output our codes, and there's another way which we can do this, which is the print. Let's just go ahead and say print and refresh this, and you can see they do the same thing. But there are slight difference between echo and print, and one of the differences is that echo has no return value while print has a return value. And another difference is that echo can take multiple parameters while a print can only take one parameter. It all depends on your personal preference. For example, I prefer to use echo, so is 80% of other PHP programmers right there we prefer to use echo. And the reason why I prefer to use echo is faster to type. Echo is just about 4 letters, while print is about 5 letters. So it's easier for me to just type echo than print. So those are the difference between echo and print. And right here, I can go ahead and print another value, which is age. And if I should come here and refresh, you can see we have the same value as that of the print. Now another thing is, when you actually using echo or you're actually using print, you can actually echo multiple variables at once. So let's just go ahead and do this and create a new file for our work. So let's go here and just say echo.php. Now I'm just going to go over what we've learned so far, and right here I'm going to open a PHP tag, and right here I'm just going to say name. I'm going to say Shola. This will be a string. You can see the double colon, and right here I'm going to say age, and I'm going to say 18. Let's just end that line, and right here I want to put both variables on the same line. And there is something called concatenation. You can learn more about that. It actually lets you join two variables together on the same line. Let's just go ahead and say echo, and right here I'm just going to say $name, and right here I'll use the full stop, which is a sign of concatenation, and right here I'll say $age. Now this won't throw any space, although there are spaces here between the variable, but this is still going to join everything together. Let's just refresh this, and this is echo. Now you can see Shola 18, and right here I want to put out a string between them, and right here I'm just going to bring the string. Now you can see how this works, and I will say Shola is 18, and this will be years old. This should be a plural, 18 years, and like this. So if we should refresh this, and Shola is 18 years old. Now you see how we put variables between strings and actually show them to the user. Now let's just go deeper, and right here we can do another thing, and we can say echo, and we can actually echo out uh HTML tags inside this, and we can do this like this, and actually say a bold, because we want to make this bold. And let's just say Shola is uh let's just use our basic example, which is the hello word, and right here let's just say hello word, and right here let's close that. So you can see that, and right here we should refresh. You can see it's on the same line, but this has taken the attribute of bold. And if we should inspect this code, let's just view the page source. You can see the bold is actually here as an HTML syntax. Now if I should come over here and actually do another HTML syntax, which is the break, and what this actually does is it actually cut that line and start the next code on a new line. So if we should refresh this now, you can see that we have the hello world, and we can actually go ahead and do more HTML syntax inside this. Even though we're writing PHP, we can still put in HTML syntax inside it. Like I said in the beginning of this video series, PHP is used for making dynamic websites. So if I should refresh, you can see this is actually bigger because it's an HTML tag for heading ones, which has a higher number of font size. So if we should view this code right here, if we should view this page code, you can see that we have the break, we have the H1. So this, my friends, is how you echo stuffs out, how you do stuffs, how you use the concatenation and the rest of it. So I'll see you in next video, guys. Thanks.